This is a real-time video for an impeller reverse engineering using QuickSurface 2026. What we can start with is we can reduce the noise in the scan, check the deviation, then we can start aligning the scan toward coordinates. So extra primitives, then we can select segmentation option, and then we're prioritizing the internal core. And this fit a cylinder. Then we check the analysis for the cylinder. Then we create. We can also fit a plane here, which is perpendicular to the cylinder. Create. And finally, we can create the keyhole feature. And then fit the plane. It's a little bit off, so turn off load constraint gives a better result. Then we can do this. So can I create it now? Then we can go align using the coordinate system. So I'm going to use cylinder, plane, and this. And then we say up. So we can keep this. We can take a note of the diameter, which is 20 mm. We can delete these features. And then we can create a 2D sketch. And this 2D sketch, we're going to take the full surface. And we're going to use the revolved surface to create the solid. So here basically we just put the lines, if you want it a little bit more refined, we can select curves. Go back. Once we're happy, we can auto join. So we auto join everything. Here we can control this, control once again, we're going to fill it, which is around 5.7. And then we can dimension. So we have everything parameterized and constraint. We can revolve. We pick the axis and revolve. So we have the basic size of the impeller. We can create the cut out the keyhole. So we can fit this rectangular fit into here. Give it some dimensions. 6. Nine. Adjust the alignment a little bit. Then we can extrude. Cut. So this is done. What is remaining is the blade. We have multiple ways to do it. Looking at the blade, it has a different draft. So I'm going to use a feature in QuickSurface, which is fit freeform fitting. So new freeform. We can also simplify it a little bit. Scan data, edit, and deselect, and reduce selection parameter. If we're happy with this, and we're gonna isolate what we need to work on. New freeform. I'm gonna create the freeform surface. So what I have is big advantage in QuickSurface that you can check deviation in real time. And you can also check surface curvature. So horizontal curvature quality of the surface. And once we're happy with it, we're done. We close. Then we can extend the surface and create the surface for the outside. Here we didn't check that the settings for the deviation analysis. 3. So we can see there is a little bit more improvement needs to be done. So if we cannot achieve what we need, we might need to split. Select the edge, press S, and we can split. and improve the results. Usually I like to extrapolate and after extrapolation I reduce the number. So we disable snapping and then we can smooth a little bit. Then we can adjust. Open it. So you can optimize it as you need and to what accuracy you want. If you want to prefer a smoother surface or you want to be more accurate to the scan. Pose. Now we can show the remaining of the mesh. It is scan, select the back, and then isolate. Then we can do the same process. Now show again, show hidden with the full scan. A little improvement required. Yeah, much better. Then we can come here and extract the front face here. It's plain. So we have the cutting surfaces. We need 2 more cutting surfaces. So this plane is closest. It is 39, almost 40. Right? We can trim these. See how automatic trimming will get us the required trimming. Let's get the remaining surface. So if we come to the solid, we can go to surfacing and duplicate face. So we have a duplicate for the face. And we also can duplicate for this face. So we constructed these geometries, cut these geometries. Need to extend this surface and this. There we go. So we have certain surfaces, and let us see what automatic trimming will do. Okay, now we have a solid body. So, okay. We have body here, and then we can come and make a repetition. Circular 6, 5. Okay. And then we can combine these together. Now we can do filleting, which is much improved in QuickSurface 2026. Fillets. We can start this. 3. There is a little bit variation, but this is okay. As you can see, filleting is much improved. So we can go ahead and select the remaining edges. Then we can proceed also. Five. Can check analysis, but we'll leave it for now. Applying chamfering. And we're good to go. This is how you reverse engineer in QuickSurface. A lot of improvements that came in 2026, and we hope you find this product huge advantage for your reverse engineering applications. Have a good one.